Don't leave my legs. Don't leave my legs. Please don't. Please don't. Excuse me. Bitch. Oh, she stood on my toes. She stood on it. Hey guys, it's G and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fake tan routine. And now you all know that if you can hear sniffing, it's currently Rue sniffing just right next to me. You guys know that I am the CEO of being pale. I am very pale, and especially when it comes to summer, I actually don't tan at all. I can't go in the sun because I burn really easily. I also can't go in the sun because of my medication and I get a bit ill. It's not the best, so I can't really go out and get a natural tan. So the best next thing is fake tan. Now I use a range of different tans, which I'll be showing you guys in a minute, but I know a lot of you guys love my routine videos, so I thought, why not do a fake tan routine? This is... You can't just have me. Oh my god. You are a nightmare. All you want to do is be in my... I can't film like this, Rue. Rue, I love you, but you can't. Come on, baby bum. That's it. Good girl. Come on. Stop. I will admit, I don't tan a lot, and when I do, it's just for certain jobs and occasions, like my birthday, or if I've got something nice coming up. This isn't me saying being pale is a bad thing. I actually love being pale, and I really like it, but then I also love having a tan, like most girls do. I'm also going to be showing you guys my tan recommendations as well. So different types of tans that you guys could try that I swear by and love. Tan, it definitely does help with my confidence. My legs can go a bit blotchy looking because of my circulation. Tan, it definitely helps my legs look a little bit more flawless, have more colour in them, so they don't look as dead and blotchy, which is obviously a huge, something that I don't like, and I am quite conscious of it. So tan is great in that way, but I also, of course, embrace my pale self. Whatever your skin tone and whatever your skin colour, you should always embrace it and be proud of it, because honestly, I think your most natural colour is stunning. But for me, in summer, it's just something I like to do. I like to apply a little bit of tan, depending on what I have coming up, depending on my work, and depending on, you know, the situation that I want to look bronzed for. So, without any further ado, let's get on into the vid. So here she is in all of her natural glory. I have not tanned for months. I feel like I've not even been bothered to tan since the lockdown. There was no need to, but now it's getting towards summer. I feel like I really need that bit of a glow. I just want some colour on my body. I just want to look a bit more healthier, because at the minute, like, I don't even look that bad on camera, but in real life I look very pale. My legs, because I don't have the best circulation in my legs, I've always got cold legs. Because I obviously can't walk, I don't have the best circulation in my legs. So putting tan on definitely helps them look a bit better. Due to me not walking and circulation, my legs can go a bit of a funny colour. Tan, it definitely helps to like airbrush my legs and even the colour out a little bit. So yeah, my legs are currently looking like literal milk bottles. My chest is so pale. I get like really veiny as well, so it just covers that up, and I just want a bit more colour. I do try and go out in the sun, but I can't really go out in the sun because of my medication. I literally will burn within a few minutes of being out in the sun. I don't react well to the sun and the heat, so as much as I would like to just sit out in the sun and tan, I can't, and I don't tan. So the best next thing for me is literal fake tan. Now I have loads that I absolutely love using. I have a face one, I have serums, I have waters, I have mousses. There are loads that I swear by and I love. So I'm actually going to show you guys some of my top favourite tans that I recommend if you guys want to try. This is obviously no way sponsored. This is just me recommending some tans. I'm very picky and I am very fussy with tans, but over the years I've definitely found some gems, like some absolute gems. So I'm actually going to show you guys my tan recommendations right now. So these are some of my favourite tans. We've got the Tan Look Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum. This colour builds with increased application and it is very moisturising. Then we have the Bondi Sands Everyday Tanning Milk. This you pop on like a moisturiser, or you can apply it on top of a tan you already have to maintain the colour. Then we have the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning water, which is a clear, no transfer tan. This gives you the most flawless dark tan. It is beautiful. So basically all of these give you a tan a few hours after. Now for the instant tans that also darken over the hours, we have the Bondi Sands Aero Tanning Foam. Also the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark Tanning Foam. These both have a greeny olive undertone, so don't worry if you look like the Hulk when first applied. It is absolutely normal, but it does give you a lovely undertone. Next is Skinny Tan. This is the Wonder Serum, which gives you an instant bronze, but also carries on developing. Gives you a lovely golden tan. Then lastly, this is the He Tan Remover and Primer in one. This removes stubborn tan, but it also primes and preps your skin ready for the next time you apply your tan again. So they are my tan recommendations. I actually would really appreciate it if you guys could go in the comments and tell me your favourite tans. Like you would have seen, I actually do use different types of tans. I don't just use the same type of product. I like to use Mousse's foam. I like to use moisturising ones. One of my favourites is the Bondi Sands Moisturising Body Milk or Body Moisturiser. That is incredible, and that really does give me a lovely tan. And to be fair, that's something I do use a lot more than, like a normal tan that you wash off. Today, I'm actually going to do like a proper tan, like full on tan. But then to keep up that, I will obviously use a moisturiser. I actually do want to use a proper tan today, not a moisturising one. I just need to give my body a bit more of a glow than it currently has, because Sis is not looking her best right now. But I also want to disclaim that I do look like this most of the time. Like, I don't tan a lot. I've really stopped tanning. Like, I will just tan when I really want to, or save there's certain jobs that I want to look a bit more healthier in, especially when I'm doing lounge. I will tan a little bit, but most of the time I will just embrace my paleness, and that is me not saying that you need to tan to look good. I just feel a little bit more comfortable and confident with a tan on my body. My mum is actually going to be helping me film this vid as well, and also help me apply my tan, just because I can't do both. I can't film and tan. The job done so much quicker. I sometimes struggle to get all of my body, so mum does help me apply my tan. So without any further ado, let's get tanning. So for my first step, I always shave. I use the Queen of Shave shaving gel and of course my razor. The next step is to exfoliate my skin. I actually use the Cocoa and Eve Glow Figure Barley Buffing Sugar. This is in the scent lychee and dragon fruit. This smells unreal. I rub this into any areas on my body that tend to be more dry, such as my arms, elbows and legs. Then I go in with my favourite moisturiser, and this is again by Cocoa Eve. This is part of their Glow Figure range like before, and this is the Body Moisture Whip. This also smells incredible, but it's also super thick and absorbs into your skin really quickly without feeling tacky. So I just apply this on my arms and elbows and legs, everywhere you want to moisturise. Now for what I use to apply my tan. I use the Bondi Sands Back Applicator and also the Saint-Tropez Tanning Mitt. And for the tan I'm using today, which is something that I've been obsessed with, this is Saint-Tropez Watermelon Infusion Bronzing Mousse. This gives you an instant bronze colour, so you know where you're going. It gives you an absolute airbrushed filter on your body. It applies really evenly, but gives you the most stunning colour. actually take the mini filter by Molly May, tiny little time bit. I use this just to buff in any areas such as around my wrists, my hands, my elbows. Then once I've done that, I actually let my tan sit on my skin. I either leave it on for 6 hours or I sleep in the tan until the next day and then I wash it off. Alright, so it's the next day now. I actually slept in my tan. I don't do it always, but I do find that if I sleep in it, it does last a lot longer. I don't normally, I don't always sleep in my tan. Sometimes I wash it off before bed, or sometimes I sleep in it. But last night, I just wanted to make sure that the tan would last a little bit longer, and because it's a big deal putting tan on me. It's not the easiest, so I want to basically get my week's worth out of my tan. But this morning I got up, I got a shower, and this is the result of the Saint-Tropez watermelon tan. This is beautiful. I love the colour tone of this. I find this one develops really fast as well, which I love, and it doesn't go too dark overnight. It just kind of stays the same. It just kind of sits into your skin, but it's not drying. I woke up and I look very bronzed. I look good and I feel good. And my body looks flawless. There's no patchiness, no dry patches. I am so happy. But all I did today was just match it up to my tinted moisturiser. That is it for my tanning routine. I do hope you enjoyed. I had so much fun filming this. I hope you guys found a cheeky tan recommendation. I hope you guys have gone out and found a new tan that you love. Let me know if you've got any recommendations that I also need to try, or even tanning tips, then definitely comment it down below. But I'm going to love you and leave you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.